My name is Tettimer. I am owner and operator of Rolling Acres Farm with my husband, Matt. Today at Rolling Acres Farm, we celebrated our grand opening weekend, and we started that off with a ribbon cutting ceremony. What we want people to know about the farm is that we are strictly a farm for the family. That is our motto, and we will stick to it till the end. The activities we have here on the farm range from corn mazes for adults or kids. We have hay maze for the little tiny ones. We have a huge jumbo jumper to jump around and have fun, a tire mountain to climb on, a petting zoo with 2 highland cows and Nigerian dwarf goats that are fun to love on, a big giant slide, yard games, and a pedal track. The best part of being owner and operator of Rolling Acres Farm is definitely getting to see the families and the children come in, have a good time, make memories, and hopefully those are things that will stay with them forever, and they'll come back year after year, and we can keep watching those families grow as our business grow. So I am Tettimer with Rolling Acres Farm and Tettimers Produce. Eat fresh, buy local.